I was a physician. I'm now retired. Tai Chi has helped me immensely. It changes your focus and your attitude in a positive direction. It becomes a very meaningful experience. I wanted to do something with movement that was somewhat meditative, that would challenge my memory. And I had this vision of doing Tai Chi in nature, by a river, on a mountain, in the morning. That's how it all started. It's unusual, the positions, the movements, the breathing, and it takes several months to really catch on. You have to have a lot of patience, and then you realize the benefits of doing Tai Chi. It helps you relax, it helps you focus, it gives you a certain confidence and sense of well-being. You may even start feeling some Chi, which is an amazing experience. I recently injured my back. I had to do the exercise bike. I started using my Tai Chi relaxation techniques while I was doing the exercise bike. Now it has become meditative and I actually enjoy it. Tai Chi has meant a lot to me. I've made new friends. I've learned a new discipline. It is also kind of a spiritual experience. If you're wondering whether it's right for you, try it. They make it very easy to begin. Think of some goals that you have in mind. Be very patient and don't give up. Grandmaster Gohring is amazing. The overall program, I would describe it in two words: excellence and passion.